Okay, now on to the main course. We've gone fairly traditional this week with like a roast venison haunch, some medlar and red wine gravy, some dauphinoise potatoes, some buttered carrots and some roast cabbage. So first things first, tear that bag open. Okay, they're good and solid. They look great. And then we're gonna put our Mortimer venison in with them. Okay, then into a really hot oven, so we're at about 200, and then we'll work out how long it's going to take, but the idea is that the butter will melt and slightly sort of go nutty, so we're looking for it to start bubbling and go slightly brown, and then hopefully the venison will be perfectly cooked. It is already cooked, so we're just sort of finishing it off. And in the meantime, get our gravy that's nice and set into the pan on a low heat to get that melted and boiling. And we can do the same with the carrots, just on a low heat to melt the butter and warm them up. After about 5 minutes, we're looking like this. Which is looking pretty good. Just give that a little pokey. All I'm going to do is take some of that butter that we've just come off and put it back on. Just to keep the venison nice and moist. And I think another 5 minutes, and that's going to be pretty spot on, I reckon. So, after 10 minutes, that's what it looks like. We're just going to pull it up onto there. Keep on getting the butter on it. As much as possible. There we go. Great, and then elegantly done. Pop our cabbage in there, and then back in the oven for about 5 minutes whilst the venison rests. I'm just going to get these guys out now. Just keep them up here somewhere warm. Carve the venison. It's hopefully going to be looks pretty good to me. Feels really tender. Here we go. First, I need my tongs. I did just notice that this did stick a little bit, so you could put a bit of parchment underneath. But I think that would be quite tasty, that little crispy bottom. I think we'll go carrots next. Nice buttery carrots. Delicious roast cabbage. I reckon. Get the pink bit. And then the medlar gravy. This is very, very good. It's very nice, I think. And the meat's nicely cooked. The dauphinoise looks excellent. The gravy sauce is incredible.